Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dig into shady websites so you don't end up digging into your wallet for nothing. If you've ever stumbled upon HearthGardensStore.com while looking for garden stuff at unbelievable prices, yeah, you might want to stick around for this. Hearth Garden London, aka HearthGardensStore.com, has already raised our scam radar. First red flag? No contact phone number, no detailed address either, just poof. It's like trying to find a ghost in a shopping cart. Genuine online stores usually have that info ready, loud and proud. This one? Crickets. Maybe they'll slap on an address or number later, but that doesn't clear them. Because, surprise, there's more sketchy stuff hiding in their bushes. Where are the social media icons? Nowhere. Not a Facebook link, not a single Instagram handle, nothing. In 2025, if a store doesn't have even one working social media page, that's weird. Most legit businesses love showing off their stuff online, but this one? Total silence. And let's not ignore the discounts. They're offering deals so heavy you'd think they're trying to empty the warehouse with a rocket launcher. We've seen this before. Tons of scam sites bait people with unreal prices, then vanish like Houdini with your cash. Oh, and the website design? Copy-paste vibes. It matches other problematic sites we've already exposed. Same layout, same shady vibe, just a new name slapped on. We've also found similar sites like this one, and guess what? They've got loads of complaints, mostly about people never getting their orders or struggling for refunds. Speaking of refunds, their policy is a headache wrapped in confusion. It's so vague and complicated it looks like it was designed to not give you your money back. So what's the final verdict? With no contact info, no socials, fishy discounts, recycled website design, and a refund policy that practically screams good luck, we're officially stamping this one as a scam. Don't fall for it. And if you've already placed an order, try to get help from your payment provider ASAP. If this video helped you or saved you from wasting your money, hit that like button. Share it with someone who shops online a lot, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and scam alerts. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.